Okay, I have a weird one here. This just happened. I have no idea what happened. What button did I press? So I open up bodies, and here's all my different colors. I want to change everything, say from white to green, whatever. White, shift click, I highlight it all, and now I just press one and they all disappear. Before I could shift click and then just click on it, and like just like that, I could change it to green or whatever color I wanted. I can't spell. Uh, does anybody know what button I pushed to change that to not being able to rename all of them at once? Because it's kind of annoying doing every single one. Shift click, they all show up, and then I want to go to click, and then they all disappear. So, if anybody knows what I did wrong, I would really appreciate it. And if anybody can help me spell too, BHITE, that'd be great. But yeah, let me know what I did, please. Thank you.